Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to send money online with MoneyGram? Today I'm going to show you how to send money online with MoneyGram. Let's get started. First of all, open the MoneyGram website or download the MoneyGram app on your phone. Now log into your account. If you don't have one, sign up. It only takes a few minutes. Once logged in, tap on Send Money and enter the recipient's country and the amount you want to send. Now select how the recipient will receive the money: bank deposit, cash, pickup, or mobile wallet. Next, enter the recipient's details like their full name and bank information if needed. Payment method like bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Some options may have lower fees. Double check all details. Then confirm your transaction. You will receive a reference number to track your transfer. And that's it. Your money is on its way with MoneyGram. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick helpful tips. Thanks for watching.